Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use the WhatsApp View Once feature. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go ahead and jump in. This is a new feature that WhatsApp put out that basically works like Snapchat, where you can send a photo or video that the person receiving can only view once, just like the title. I'm going to show you how to use it right now. I'll be working off of my iPhone in the WhatsApp app, so let's go ahead and jump in. So I'm going to go to WhatsApp right now, and you'll probably just go to your normal page. You want to go to your chats, and then you want to go ahead and either find the chat that you want to send it in, or if you're sending it as a new message, you can hit new message, type in the phone number. But I'll just use a chat that I already have, let's say Surf Sesh. Now, if I want to send this one-time video, or photo, it works normal, basically like you're sending a video or a picture. So I hit that icon for the photo. Then I choose the photo I want to send, or I can take a new one. I'll just choose this video. You can edit it, do whatever you need to it. And then once you're done, you can hit this one button, which is right next to the add caption right here. And that will basically bring out or turn on this one-time feature. You know it's turned on because it will be fully marked in the one in the blue circle. And when you're ready to go ahead and send, you just hit that send button. It will prepare and it will send off. That person can only view it once. You can see it has that one icon next to it, meaning that is the once feature send. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.